Everyone, it's Chriso. I'm up to the next stage of doing this bathroom, and what I'm going to do now is well, it's a shelf. It's going to act the same as a niche, but it's open, and what I need to do is give it this plenty of slope, and as well as my tile, which I normally do in a square niche, but this is going to get a lot of water on it. Out to here, from there to the wall is going to get untold water on it from splash. Here is the shelf. They can put all their soaps and bottles and God knows what, because the bath is going there. So what I've got, I picked up a bit of trim from the hardware store, which will just give me, like, that's about 5 mil. And if I silicone that down, then water and fill that in, I'll just do it with a bit of glue. That'll give me heaps of slope for when the water runs through the grout onto the waterproof and down the wall. Otherwise, water will sit on that shelf DIYs. If there's no slope to it and it's waterproofed flat, it's probably sloping slightly backwards, or it's dead flat, you know, one or the other. But whatever it's doing is not good. So we'll just silicone it down. It needs to have slope. It needs slope DIYs. So I'll just bring it out a little. Getting silicone on my fingers. Lovely. Why don't I use something? That'll do. Find whatever you can, so I don't get silicone all over my fingers. I could put on gloves, but right, just press that down. I'm roughly the same width all the way out from the wall. Cool. Another one here. So I'll be mitering that corner. I'm putting black ink. Everything's going to be black in this bathroom, so I'll be putting black aluminium. I'm not a fan of miters. Miters chip unless you epoxy them. We're not going there. There we go. Whooshka. The builder had worked it out like I'm using a 600 by 1200 tile up there. The builder worked it out that I'd be able to slap a 6 by 12 tile up without cutting it, but he didn't allow for a bit of slope. He should have been down another 10 mil. Anyway, I'm going to be cutting probably 5 mil off. Now, he's a little bit too accurate and he hasn't allowed for me doing any slope. So it's sort of stuffed up a little. I'll have to just trim my tile, you know, take 5 or 6 mil off, but no biggie. There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tiles. It's all good. So what we got here now, just like that. Now DIYs, I am the real thing. Nothing's been sped up. It's all real time. It's not sped up to look good and all that jazz. I don't believe in that. It's real tiling. I've been doing this for 35 years, so I should know what I'm doing now. But I tell you, there's new things coming out all the time, and don't think that you know everything. No, I'm not like that. Now that will give me beautiful runoff, people. I don't have to have that much slope in my tile, because for my tile, I reckon that's, when I'm tiling it, that is too much slope. And if there's soapy water and that sort of thing, your bottles of shampoo will start sliding off. But it's brilliant to get the water off, and it can run down the wall onto the waterproof and run down the waste. I won't be giving it that much slope when I'm tiling it. All your bottles of shampoo will end up on the floor. They'll slide off. So bog it up, give it some slope. I have to mix up a little bit more glue. I'm using glue because it's what I've got plenty of, and it sticks to that. I've got no power here. I don't know where the petrol is to the generator, but no biggie. I'm not using power at the moment, only for my radio, but I'm talking on the video, so I'll mix up a little bit more glue to finish that. I'll come back to you soon. I'll be sealing the walls next, so I'll come back to you then. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Tell your friends that you've found this new channel, and tell your mates, Jesus, this guy just might know what he's doing. We'll see ya. Bye.